boys and men. You know, I can tell you a sad story. Ngicela ukuphuma kancane.
Okay.
Mina ngathi mangizalwa awuthiyami at the age of 6. My mother passed away right in front of me.
Okay.
She was stabbed. Yeah,
Okay.
apparently ekuseni around about lesikhathi lesi sihleli ekhishini ngidlala nomntana wasekhaya, the last born, my little sister.
You're 6 years old then?
When I was 6, which
Okay.
was 1984.
Okay.
Uma ngidlala nosisi wami sibuke lapha ngasekhishini, there was one guy walwa ne-old lady ngibhekile. They were fighting. I watched the whole fight. No, I watched the whole fight. This guy wathatha umese ngimubhekile balwa wamgwaza ngimubhekile waze washot. Yes, I was the first person ukuthi ngifike kuye. Just imagine, because bengumntana, the first person ukuthi ngifike kuye ngimphendule because umagogo bekavukile aye uwenza ukutheza toilet ngikuyo. So lento leyo awuthiyami, okay, ukuthi azange ngi-attend boma-counselling or whatsoever, kimi it didn't matter because you know what, kwangakha uma bengilokhu ngikhula ziningi izinto engizifundile empilweni, ngikhule ngenye indlela, so bengingeke ngikwazi mina ngengikhona ukuhlukumeza umuntu wesifazane kule nto le ngiyibone yenzakala kumama. And manje mamela dog, uyazi lo muntu engikhuluma ngayo i-madam ne kwasekuqaleni uyakwazi ukungithuka ngomama, and mind yena iminyaka yakhe iqala after umama msekashonile. Do you know ukuthi uyakwazi ukungithuka angitshela ukuthi umama wakho waze wafa ngendaba yakho, wahluleka wena ukusave umama.
Oh, you were 6 years old, that's what you said.
And besides, yena uma 86 or 87, 85, how does she know my mother? You know, how does she know? Like, isn't this fun? And I was 6 years, as you are saying. How was I? Uyabona ukuthi lo muntu usuka azama ukungivusa ubuhlungu, ugubha lento leya, uyangivuselela.
So sorry, if you found out manje sokukhulile, that's why that person stepped your mother.
Mfethu kwenzeka same thing namanje still angazi ukuthi lo muntu washona or kwenzakalani.
But you never found out information to why.
Azange.
Bebalwela ini.
Bebalwela ini. I tried, bruh. I tried a lot. Mina even namanje surname yami ngisponsor awuthama kusi my genuine surname. My genuine surname ngizithu ngumali mkhadlo.
Sponsor kabanda sisakho.
Lese ngisponsor I was once adopted, bruh. Yabona ukuthi ngibuye ekudeni ngempilo mina ngike ngahlala nomlungu awuthiyami. Yeah. Usho ukuthi manje ugcina kwami ukuhlala ngale ngamla lena ngagcina ngaya koSpana. Ugcina kwami kuSpana kwakhe that was 2020. Nakhona ngiherezela le mali ukuthi ngihambe ngiyokhipha icard lami le-license. Ngathi uma ngiceda ukukhipha le card ngakhwela kubona ngayijuza. I mean 2000, I think 99 2000.
I think lena idinge episode yayo i1.
Exactly. That is why I was just giving you a rough example.
Yeah, understand ukuthi
umuntu wesifazane.
But mina I thought mhlawumbe we don't know. I thought ukuthi yabona a person yalo, I'm so sure ukuthi ukule your mom, they step your mom in front of you. Lo muntu lona lo wesifazane akuchukuluza kufake lapha kule khona leya. Ungabi that person. There are so few people like you. Banga action. Because the muntu lo vero sifok I don't have any parents. Kahle ngimbulala ngisinelo ukhuluma into esona.
Yeah, ile nto ngishona kube bengifuna ukumayina. Kube kudala ngamayina. Mara manje kunenye into wena mfethu ebalulekile empilweni. I-knowledge is power. And apparently some other people they don't understand ukuthi knowledge iqala kuphi. Isiqale se-knowledge bro. Now ungaba nenkinga. People they don't understand. Patience is the whole key. The main key. Before you get to your knowledge, you will have to have a little bit of some patience there, and then you will get some of your knowledge there, and then from there, that's where you will notice, oh, this is an abusement, and this is an emotional abuse, this is physical abuse, and this is whatsoever. And then by then, that's where you will need to channel yourself. Now, where do I put myself? That is why I'm so interested when I'm fit. If I can only be given a chance, if we bank granted that opportunity to have some certain classes whereby I can be able to teach and let people understand, especially the guys out there who are under this kind of situation whereby the wives, they don't understand their language because umuntu yakumcele ukuthi sweetie ngicela ungenzele just this coffee here. uphume uyojika lapha, they won't understand ukuthi menzeni ikofi, abuye alenze ikofi mara after boma 15-20 minutes, yabona, and anga-understand ukuthi